This is code.org. I'm currently working on their Hour of Code course, which is code with Anna and Elsa, their Frozen course, and I'm on level 3. Let's see what we have here. It seems like we're halfway to making a square. Let's put 4 lines together to create a square. Okay, and it looks like they already provided us some code, because this is where we put the code. We drag and drop it here. Here's the blocks we can use. Let's go ahead and test out what they have under when run by hitting run. And then we should, okay, so we turned, not quite, try using blocks, try using a block you aren't using yet. I could always click here for a hint. I don't think we need one yet. Alright, so I turned right. Let's go ahead and say move forward. And then once I'm down here, I think I want to turn right again and move forward. Let's go ahead and test this. Just in case there's a mistake, it's easier to fix it now than have to look through the finished code. Oh, awesome. That's looking good. So let's turn right, I guess, one more time and move forward. Oh, perfect. So this is the code that worked for me. Great. Let's keep going.